Hey guys, this is Apple release day. Today is September the 20th, and I have 2 packages. So, let us unbox these packages. I've been waiting all day long. Okay, I got the 16 Pro Max. I always get the Pro Max. 256 gigabyte. I kind of wish I would have gotten the bigger one, but here we go. Take a look at that. Okay. This is the new color. So let's take this. I got another one. I backed up my phone this morning. I'll probably back it up again just to make positive. All right, you ready? Here is the new color. Okay, of course you get a braided cable. Wow, it's kind of a goldish color. It's real light. Cool. There's a new action button. Okay, here we go. Woo, it's bigger. It's a bigger phone. Wow, I'm gonna have to get my case on this puppy and my screen protector. Okay, I'm gonna put it back in the box for right this second because let's do the watch. And then I'm gonna have to get to work and get these going here. All right, Apple Watch 10 in the black. I think it's jet black. There we go. Whoops. Okay, so you undo these 2 tabs. And then you fold it over. Trying to do this without a cat on me. I got the Nike watch band. You guys know how I love Nike. Oh, here we go. Got a tab here. There's one. 2 tabs. And there we have it. Wow, this is a shiny, shiny black. This is a 46 millimeter. Try to get it out of here very carefully. Boy, it's really in there. I can't get it out. Wow. Oh man, look at that. Isn't that a neat color? All right, well that was my unboxing. Now I'm gonna go and do the setup. So I will catch you guys later.